Hey photographer, come on over and join us on our trip to Aspen Grove in Southern California. Before we get started, my name is Janice Sullivan, the founder of the Creative Mentorship Program. This is a program for macro, nature, and landscape photographers to build upon your skills from the beginning all the way into the business sector. The link is down below. Before we head out for our photography adventure, I want you to know that you need a permit to photograph or even just hike in this location. In order to get to the Grove, you should have an off-road vehicle because you will be traveling on some dirt roads. But to start your journey, head on to the 10 freeway and then take the Mentone 38 highway and go up the mountain. Just a bit of history. In 2015, there was a big fire where the Aspens lived, and the state of California shut down the area until September of 2021. So here are a couple images that I took before the fire so you could see how different it's going to look when you keep watching this video. And one of the things that I want to say to you photographers, it is important that you take these photographs. It is important because things change, and that's why I enjoy making these vlogs, so I can inspire you to get out and photograph your area or your trips. So once you're on the 38, you could pass it very easily. So you'll make a right on 1N02, and then it turns into a dirt road, and what you'll do next is make a right onto 1N05. We got to the parking lot, and now it's time to get prepared for our hike. These images, again, are before 2015. And here it is after. One thing that I've learned is that even though it may not be this grand opportunity of photographing landscape, there's still life after death. So Kevin and I decided to hike down to where the Aspens were before to see what it looked like. Just hanging out with me. Oh, it looks like a person.
Without a head.
I can hear the water.
Oh yeah?
I could see the water. It's all grown in because it's been closed since 2015. Whoa, look at this.
What?
The tree.
Whoa. It fell over?
Yeah. They said to be careful that trees will just fall over. So this is the aspens down here.
The yellow trees.
The yellow trees are the aspens, and then those are the burnt trees. And they used to be hidden. Let's see.
You can still smell the smoke.
The fire, the smoke. See, we can get up close too, but see, that's not a very good composition. I don't like that. I'd have to move it. It's not what caught my eye. So we're gonna go back. I'm gonna take an HDR. Oh, this is way back. Let's see, maybe. The bottom is bugging me, so let's go ahead and move this up a little bit and see how it turns out. I don't know. No, look at that. I told Kevin I didn't want to do anymore. Oh, this is the main part. That's why. Oh, yeah. I want to get in shade. That is fried. Oh, we have to walk over those things, huh?
You gonna be able to walk on them?
Yeah, look. Are you okay?
Yep.
They put all these aspens. These are all aspens. They're white. Cool. Oh my God. This is, oh, we gotta photograph that. Look at that.
Wow.
Look at that. Look at how pretty the backlighting of all the baby aspens. These are all babies. Wow. But it's grown in because they haven't let anybody back here.
$2.13.
2:13 Pacific. This is like a perfect time because once that sun goes down, none of these light up. And they're teeny weeny. Look at these. Here's an example. The sun is hitting into the aspens. And that's boring. But when you turn around and get the backlight of the aspens, look at that. See how the colors just pop? But they're babies, teeny little aspens. I think I'm going to photograph in the wind, so I don't know if I'm going to get anything. But I'll try. But see, when you're photographing, look at backlight, man, it rocks. The rangers had told us that the baby aspens will flourish because the other trees have burned away. It is a natural way to regenerate the forest. Because it was so windy, I decided to do motion blur, which is actually really perfect for my fine art photography. Do you have an amazing place to photograph near you? Share it in the comments below. So we spend most of our day here. And I got some macro shots. We had our lunch and I decided to really check around to see what I could do during the day. I was paying attention to the sun, and like I said, I did some macro shots and had some fun waiting for the golden hour. So here you see that I have my 70-200, and I didn't pull out my macro lens. I actually used my Nisi, which if you'd like to see the video of the unboxing of my Nisi, check it out here. And Nisi is a filter that you can use on your lens to get close up. Around this amazing tree trunk, I found some really cool bark that I wanted to photograph, so I went ahead and did that too. You see, I picked up my camera and just really enjoyed the moment. I grabbed some close-up mushroom shots a stump that was hundreds of years old just amazed me. And then we just took in the smells. Even though it was burnt, there was still life. The golden hour was approaching, and it was time for us to leave the little valley of baby aspen trees. We didn't do a long hike. We did just enough. So it's time to pack it up and really enjoy the light. Okay, we're going back into the aspen. We're going out of the aspens, spend all day here, enjoying ourselves. And the sun is going down. Once the sun goes down, all that beauty is going to go away. Now these are all baby aspens because the big ones were burnt in 2015. So as these grow, they're going to be beautiful. See how teeny they are? And you can see the big ones coming up. They died. But it's okay because their babies are here. So it's a beautiful place. We packed all our stuff. What do you do? What is that saying, hun?
Huh?
What's that saying? Pack it up, you know, take it and pack it up. What is it?
Pack it in, pack it out.
Pack it in, pack it out. Look at that.
Widowmaker.
So hopefully, got some good images. Would you like to make creative work that's not like everybody else? Then download our free Ultimate Creative Workshop. Learn how to take your photography to the next level so you can be confident to make photographs that you love and are proud to share with your clients. This is exactly how I make the work that I love and where I've sold my photographs for thousands of dollars. The link is down below. If you enjoyed this video, how about a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel to grab more vlogs on our hiking and photography trips.